Today we are going to review an amazing portable Muzen OTR sticker Bluetooth speaker. Muzen Audio is dedicated in developing exquisite and fashionable retro audio products, which is rapidly expanding in many countries. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product video reviews. Let's unbox it and see its package contents. You will get a beautiful Muzen OTR sticker Bluetooth speaker and a user manual. The design of the OTR, which stands for On the Road, Metal, is an ode to the 1960s. It is shaped like an old radio set and has a big physical knob surrounded by a circular FM frequency band scale that lets you manually increase sound volume. Muzen OTR sticker Bluetooth speaker comes with vintage design and has classic metal surface. This speaker looks very beautiful and has unique design. The speaker is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. On front side of this speaker, there is knob which can be used to increase or decrease the volume of sound. In the middle, if you press 3 seconds, it will turn on or off. If you short press, sound or music will play or pause. And if you short press 3 times, Bluetooth setting will be reset. There is also an indicator LED that shows the status of connectivity. Blinking means not connected and steady on means connected. On its back side, there is a small but powerful speaker, and do not press this position hard. There is also a rubber pad. On the side of this speaker, there is a Type-C charging port to charge this speaker. There is also a charging indicator. Red light means charging and green light means fully charged. That's it, very simple and easy to use. Let's power on and connect this Bluetooth speaker. Turn on Bluetooth on your device and select Muzen sticker speaker and pair it and enjoy. This is a nice speaker to carry around with you or to listen while you are doing chores or out working on the car. The sound quality is to be expected with the size of the speaker, and it did give clear output. It has a nice range of volume and paired with many other Bluetooth devices easily. You can enjoy high quality sound through the singing sticker speaker that can be attached to the fridge, coffee machine, mirror, etc. Muzen OTR sticker Bluetooth speaker comes with 300 mAh built-in rechargeable battery that provide up to 5+ hours long-lasting playtime. No doubt, it is good-looking, good-sounding and fun with unique design. Muzen is amazing Bluetooth speaker. I am sure you would fall in love with these speakers. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Go get yours, and before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more videos.